Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Android phone out of safe mode. So there's 3 different ways that you can try to get it out of safe mode. Now the first is by just doing a forced restart. So if you go to the power button right here and the volume up on your Google Pixel, it's going to open up the power menu. And if you continue to hold this down for about 15 seconds, it's going to force restart your phone. Otherwise, you can just hit restart and it should just restart it too. But force restart with these 2 buttons. Now, if you got like a Samsung phone, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be the power button and the volume down button. And when you can see this power menu, you know it's the button combination that you need to press down. So you just press this down for a little bit, and that menu should open up. Just continue to hold that down, and that will get you out of safe mode. Another thing that you can do is simply wait a few minutes, and there should be something that pops up in the top left that says you're in safe mode. And it will just tell you how to get out of it. You can just press the button. Now it doesn't show up right away. As you can see, I'm in safe mode right here. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, it should pop up when your phone is like completely restarted. And another thing that you could do is just go to the top right and just go to the power button right here. And then just restart it. And it should launch you into the normal mode. So just wait a few seconds here. And that screen should pop up in the top left. And it'll say you're in safe mode. So it hasn't come up yet, but it should. Just go to your notifications, and then you can press it, and it'll get you out of safe mode. So right where it would say the battery, it'll be right here in a few minutes.